UltraMIS is an ultra-power product. It stands for Mobile Inspection Ticket System. Together with the high development of wireless broadband like 3G, LTE, and LTE Advanced, UltraMIS give you a mobile way of your business. The whole system is divided into three parts: mobile terminal, web console, and centralized cloud platform. Use mobile terminal. You can do your business anytime and anywhere. Use web console. You can define business template and policy. Use centralized cloud platform. You can easily log in and extend. The main functions about UltraMIS are trouble ticket and inspection. It has close relationship with alarm system. To solve the trouble issues, it generates the trouble ticket. The engineer can use the phone to download the task and start work. To reduce the potential risk, it offers site and transmission line inspection. UltraMIS shows you a brief description of alarms. You can create trouble ticket and send to the engineer without delay. In the alarm management, the system displays the alarm by different severity. Meanwhile, you also can get the alarm description, location, and time occurred. Open one of them to see the detailed information. In the alarm details, you can overview the alarm information, like the site location, device system, fault cause, and so on. Click the Create to generate the trouble ticket. The whole trouble ticket information is divided into two parts: general information and fault information. Through the general information, the on-site engineer can receive the contact of the ticket creator. Through the fault information, the on-site engineer can get the detailed information of current trouble issue. The final step: choose the engineer and click Submit. The engineer used the phone to work. No more limitation, no more delay. This is the trouble ticket list on the phone. In order to work in weak signal trouble area, the system supports offline mode. When it shows OK, you already download the whole ticket on your phone. The system uses title, site name, time occurred, and status to describe the trouble issue. Click the ticket to open. This is the first step. The on-site engineer need to know the trouble details. The same to the website. Fault information and general information are downloaded on the phone. The engineer can get the detailed information of the trouble issues. If there's some doubt about ticket, the engineer can communicate with the ticket creator immediately. As an example, the engineer can make a call without logout. This is the second step. Start to process the trouble ticket. Here, based on your own business scenario, UltraMIS supplies process template to help the engineer correctly and quickly solve the trouble issues. And you also can take a picture of the trouble device to record your work result. When you finish your whole work on troubleshooting, click Completed to upload. The ticket creator can see the whole records on mobile information. Check the on-site picture. If there is no further problem, the task is finished. The ticket creator will archive the ticket. As previous introduction, you can use the UltraMIS to solve the trouble issues. No more limitation, no more waiting. UltraMIS offers flexible business template according to your site and transmission line business scenario. You can easily define your inspection task. In the template management, you can create, delete, and edit the business template. Click Preview. You can overview the total task items. Mobile Terminal will synchronize the whole content from the web console. By default, the inspection task period is month by month. When the status is changed to created, the on-site engineer can receive the task on the mobile terminal. Site inspection by UltraMIS Mobile Terminal. The system offers business guide and risk report entries. This is the task list. The tasks are divided into two categories, open and completed. Click on Open Task to start. The site inspection task content is the same to the web console part. Clicking the Arrive is the essential condition. The system needs to compare the site coordinate with the on-site engineer's current location. Only the on-site engineer is in the limited scope. The task can be opened to start. Click Confirm to continue. By GIS module, you can check your current location and the path to the site. Back to the main view of the task. The on-site engineer can easily do the inspection task by the business template and check the details step by step. If there is some abnormal status, just mark it at once. If there is a potential risk, the on-site engineer can report the risk immediately. In addition, the basic information, like the site location, is listed in the risk report. So the on-site engineer just needs to insert the risk description. The system also supports the function of task leave. Based on the real business scenario, once there's an emergency issue, like the system trouble, the on-site engineer needs to go to the trouble area at once. The system can store the inspection record. The on-site engineer can go on to do the inspection task when he comes back. UltraMIS Mobile Terminal offers photo and record functions. The photo and record will be uploaded to the system automatically. When the task is finished, click Completed and insert Note to upload the result. After that, the task has been moved to the completed list. Line inspection by Ultramis terminal. The system offers business guide and risk report entrance. This is the task list. Click on Open Task to start. The on-site engineer can easily do the inspection task by the business template. Click Start button. The system will track the on-site engineer's real-time location. The system doors every 5 seconds by default. You can manually change it. The system supports 2 ways of transmission line inspection: walk and drive. The same to the site inspection. Enter the risk report when the on-site engineer discovers potential risk and click Save button to leave. When the task is finished, click Completed and insert Note to upload the result. The monitor staff can get the whole mobile information. The system offers total information, statistics. In the completed task, click one of them. The whole on-site records are displayed on the website. About the risk report, it will be pushed on the home page. The monitor staff needs to decide whether it is a real risk. If it is, create trouble ticket immediately. Otherwise, just click Confirm to ignore. The manager can see all tracks of on-site engineer through the website. Just needs to click the button of Replay. As previous introduction, you can use Ultramis to reduce the potential network risk. No more limitation, no more waiting.